Hi, Cheryl Henning at Century 21 Gold West Realty here in Elko, Nevada, and today I'm visiting with Lynne from New American Funding. Hi, Lynne.
How are you?
I'm good. So you are a mortgage lender.
Yes.
You are the loan officer here.
Correct. Branch manager, loan officer.
Oh, nice.
We're located at 585 5th Street here in downtown Elko, Nevada.
And so how long have you been a loan officer for?
I actually got my mortgage license back in 2013.
Okay.
But I did work in the mortgage industry since 2008.
Oh, nice. And what kind of loans do you do?
We offer a full portfolio of services. We have conventional, VA, USDA, FHA. We also offer the down payment assistant programs. So we have a full variety available for everyone.
Nice. And is everything processed in-house, or do you send everything out somewhere else?
Not necessarily in-house here, but all of our processors and underwriters are locally here in Nevada. So that's a really good thing. They know the area, so
nice.
They know our mining industry and they understand the income for our local people.
Very good. That's
Yes.
important stuff.
Very important.
What made you decide to become a mortgage lender?
Well, I started my career at First American Title back when I was 19 years old. And
Yesterday.
Yesterday, yes, of course. No. I just kind of worked my way up from there. I was a escrow officer and then moved here to Elko. I actually originally came from Southern California. And so when I came here, there was a local mortgage company that needed some help, and I decided to come on over there, and it just kind of grew from there. So here I am today.
Yeah, I'm sure you've done a lot of loans.
A lot, yes. Quite a bit. We at least do over 100 a year, so.
Oh wow, that is quite a bit.
Yes.
Do you have any memorable experiences as a lender?
I think my most memorable experience, I've had a plethora of them, but the most memorable was to actually open up my own office here locally. I've worked for several other mortgage companies before and they did very good for me, but I figured it was time to move on and grow, and me and my work wife, I would say, Catherine Moore, we decided to open up another branch here of New American Funding, and we've been here since October of 2017, and we've done really well. We're excited and we love it.
Nice, nice. What kind of requests have you had from your clients?
Well, we've had very crazy requests before, I would say, but the most one that we get a giggle out of is we've had clients that call and just want us to pre-approve them without pulling credit. And pulling credit is one of the #1 sources that we need to make sure that you are qualified for a home loan. So we get a lot of people that don't want to have us pull their credit, but it's kind of something that we need to have. So
how long does it take to get a client, a buyer, or potential buyer approved to get a loan?
It depends upon every single client. Everyone's different. We have some that we can qualify within the hour, depending upon their credit history, their job, how long they've been there. There's multiple things that go into play on that. But for your normal minor, that's one of the biggest one that comes into the office. They get overtime and bonuses. And so it's very important that we get that breakout to make sure that when they are qualified, we're qualifying them based on what they really truly make moving forward. So that is something that we do here. So typically 24 to 48 hours is our goal. Sometimes we get some difficult HR people, but we try to work at it and get it taken care of. But whether or not they're ready in an hour or 2 years, we're here for them. We work with them to get it to the next stop.
Well, you seem like you know a lot about our community and our area and our typical buyers. What is it that you like about our community?
Oh, well, I did come from Southern California, so it was very populated, busy, traffic. I don't even like going back anymore, but it's a small community here. I really love that everybody works together to try to help people out here. Very hometown feeling.
Very wholesome.
Yes,
Wholesome community. That's what we came out here for, is because we like the wholesome feeling of
Right.
community.
Right, no traffic.
No
That was a really
traffic.
good thing.
Yeah, and now it's like 5 cars on the road in front of you, and you're like, oh, I'm in traffic.
Yeah, so good place to raise your kids. So we moved and we had our kids here, and we love it here. So.
Nice, nice. Do you have any favorite restaurants here that you like?
Oh my gosh, there's so many restaurants here, and I love to eat food. I would say my favorite out of everywhere here in town would be Luciano's. It is a favorite to a lot of realtors here as well. You can always
I like it too.
see a realtor every time you go. The Star has awesome food, amazing food, but there's a couple other local eateries here. We try to keep it local and, you know, family owned, so that's important here to us.
Right, right. Do you have any favorite TV shows or movies that you like?
You know, I have 4 kids, so it's really hard for me to actually watch a movie that I want to watch.
So Disney's your favorite?
Disney's my favorite. Moana, that's my favorite movie. No, I like to watch American Horror Story. That is one of my favorite TV shows to watch. But there's so many other ones. We like to watch horror movies, and I mean, I like everything. So action, drama.
Nice, nice. Well, do you have any pet peeves?
I would say that my biggest pet peeve that I have in life is somebody saying something and not following through with it.
Mm-hmm.
It's really hard for me. I get a lot of clients that have come to us and they've been promised a home loan, and 2 days before closing, they're told that they can't get a home. So I think the biggest thing is just being truthful, and that is the biggest pet peeve of mine, is just be truthful, state the facts, and don't hide things from people.
Right. Would you say that's one of your biggest challenges with lending?
You know, I think that some other, I don't know. I can't speak for anybody else. I know that we have clients that have come in, they're pretty devastated, but, you know, we try to work through it and get it done for them and, you know, make them a homeowner.
Nice. And then, what do you do for fun?
When I do have time. No, I'm a part of a few community nonprofits, and we try to do a lot of community service at our office. But as far as personally, when we're not at home on the weekend just lounging and actually resting, we love to go on trips and take the kids to Disneyland or, you know, go to fun places. So
Very cool. Very
Yeah.
cool. Well, Lynn, thank you so much for sharing, doing this interview with me today. You are
Yes.
my very first interviewee.
thank you.
And I hope it's the first to many more to come. Again, I'm Cheryl Henning with Century 21, and today I'm with Lynne Myrick from New American Funding.
Yes, come on down and see us.
Oh, phone number.
Oh, direct number is 775-385-1660.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.